Yeah.
stay, and keep growing.
Yeah. I actually usually say this when someone asks me HospiYou or what it's about, and I usually say it's a God idea. And I actually believe HospiYou is definitely going to become one of the biggest health tech companies in the world. And I do say this because we have a lot of services and a lot of products and features we are offering to people and patients across the globe. We have the AI diagnostics testing in-app system. We have the remote consultation feature. We have the in-home nursing care feature where you have nurses go to the houses of people to go give care. And this will be particularly good for pregnant women, children, and sick. We also have our ambulance SaaS, where HospiYou is going to be partnering with Bolt and Uber in Africa to be able to curb the ambulance crisis, medical ambulance crisis we have in Nigeria. So we could be rest assured that people could be able to get to the hospitals or get medical attention, and for emergency cases, get to hospitals as quickly as possible. We also have the articles feature, which has articles which are handwritten by doctors, and we also have locates the medical facility, medical center, so many more, including the AI in-home robot, medical robot as well, which uses bodily fluids like your urine, your saliva, or your sweat to run medical tests for the comfort of your homes. It's going to be a portable device which is going to be connected to the application, as well as wearables that could measure your blood pressure and other vitals. Yeah, so I believe HospiYou is going to be here for a really long time, if not forever. Yeah.
So how do you go about with the verifying the licenses of your doctors?
Yeah, so HospiYou is actually associated with a couple of medical bodies. So most especially in Nigeria, the Nigerian Medical Association as well. So we have a means to be able to confirm license numbers for Nigerian doctors and doctors in Africa, and as well as for doctors in Europe and in America. And like I said, HospiYou is incorporated in Delaware, America, so that also gives us leverage with regards to joining medical bodies that enables us confirm that once a doctor, he or she says, okay, this is my license number, confirm that he or she is who they say they are.
HospiYou is available in what countries?
Okay, actually, HospiYou is actually a global application. It's meant to be a global application. Currently, if the HospiYou app is actually available on Play Store at the moment, so we're working on the iOS. So if you're actually in Canada and you type HospiYou on the Play Store, you're actually going to see HospiYou. If you're in America, if you're in Bulgaria, if you're in Nigeria, I think in over 170 countries, if you actually type the word HospiYou on Google Play Store, you're actually going to see the app pop up. That would soon be the case for the iOS, the Apple version as well. But when it comes to launching, we're actually launching and starting off operations in Nigeria, Africa first, and from there we expand globally.
That's right, like what from Nigeria, so
Yeah.
So let me give you an example. Like, how do you think HospiYou will to help such a person? So someone wakes up in the middle and has a terrible stomach pain.
Oh wow.
Person is subscribed to HospiYou.
Yeah.
So give an instance. What will HospiYou do for that person?
Yeah, okay. You wake up in the middle of the night, you have stomach ache and a couple of other symptoms, and you could be able to use the AI in-app diagnostic features where you input your symptoms, and the AI diagnostic system is definitely going to ask you some follow-up questions to narrow down the diagnosis and find out exactly what's wrong with you. So we actually ensure that consistently we review the database to ensure that most especially the prescriptions and the diseases align actually.
This was a podcast session by Fabs Radio. A link will be in the description or somewhere on the